G'day guys, welcome back to Pete's Investing. It's September 5th, 2023. This is the Nat Gas price update. We've got on the daily, first off, you can see here we're still bouncing between this major support at 2065 and resistance at 3050. And it's been going sideways since, but it's actually hit our hourly target. But on the daily, you can see here on the CCI, it's sort of leveling off. And on the Stochastic, not much really to report. It's still above our moving average here, but closer to the oversold territory and ever so slightly moving to the upside. So very slight improvement on the daily chart. On the hourly though, we did project this bearish divergence on the CCI versus the price, and that was our little target area, and it came down there yesterday and hit the target quite convincingly. And you'll notice where it's bouncing off this new minor support at 27.27, and that happens to be the 61% level of this little Fibonacci range. So you can see there it's bouncing sideways for the moment after hitting our target, and it may well bounce from here. Otherwise, if it breaks through to the downside of that, then we're going to see further declines and more of a bearish outlet for Nat Gas. We've included this new indicator down here, and this is the multiple indicator indicator. So it combines Stochastics, MACD, RSI, CCI and moving averages, and I did a video on that previously, so just reference that in the link below to understand how to trade it. But at the moment you can see there when it breaks above the 3, as it did in this case, that's where you go long, and when it breaks below, that's where you would go short in alignment with the rest of when you read it with the other indicators we've got here with the Stochastic and the CCI. So here, for example, it's showing a bearish outlet outcome on the CCI. It's also showing a bearish outcome on this new indicator. That just adds to the argument to go short, and that would have been a nice area to go short. Here there's no bullish movement on the CCI yet, even though this new indicator is showing a bit of a bullish movement. So just be careful of that. But again, I'd like to see when they both align, like in this example, that's where you would go long. Likewise here, there wasn't a divergence, but it did break slightly to the downside from that area. This one was a false breakout. So anyway, just what I'm basically saying is you combine these where they align. You can see here as well, there was another bullish divergence. And this also showed you potentially to go long. So when they do align, like in this example, you would have gone long in that instance. So again, just reference the links in the description below to get a further update on that new indicator, but also to make any further support to the channel. Support us on Patreon, where we also look at weekly scans of stocks, currencies and commodities using some of these indicators. So subscribe, like and share the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in a future video.